So I'm taking my freeze spray and spraying it across my forehead and rubbing it in, and I'm going to use a piece of cardboard from the wig cap to fan it because I didn't feel like using my blow dryer because we just moved. And I know y'all probably like, why this girl sitting up in the closet? Well, when I made this video, we was only one day in the apartment and it was just stuff everywhere, and that's a really big ass closet. So I just want to do it up in the closet. I don't know why, I just did it. So I'm just pressing in. It got to be glue spray, pressing down on my forehead, combing it in with the comb and stuff, making sure it's all smooth and in place. And then in the next clip, I'm going to take a piece of headband or like a little hair tie and just tie it down, that's what's gonna make your lace melt. So I'm gonna leave it in there for like 10 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on there for 10 minutes and just let that sit. So in the meantime, I'm gonna take my flat iron, and I got that flat iron from my local beauty supply. It was like $30. And this hair is so beautiful and silky. I only had to go through it one time. And to get the best results for like bone straight hair or just any type on any like bundles, wigs, or whatever, I always use the comb, like chase the comb method. I always use my comb to get my hair to get really straight with the flat iron. So I'm gonna just continue to flat iron the rest of the hair throughout the video. So after letting it sit for a good 10 minutes, I'm gonna take it off, and I'm just gonna cut the ends of this lace off. And when I tell y'all that this lace was melted into my skin, that wig ain't going nowhere. So I'm just about to get my salon scissors and cut off the edges so it'll be easier for me to cut off the excess lace. So I'm gonna just cut the ends like so. And I'm gonna do the other side. And then when I cut my lace, I don't use a certain method or zigzag method like everybody else do. I just cut straight across or however, because it's all gonna lay down the same. So now I'm about to get ready to just cut me some baby hairs, and I'm just gonna cut straight across, nothing special. And to smooth them down and style them how I like, I'm gonna use some mousse. I don't use edge control or jam, simply because I want my baby hairs to look softer. I don't want them to look all crunchy or stiff. because I feel like if you use edge control or whatever, your baby hairs are not gonna look as natural. But you can use whatever you like. That's just my preference. That's just what I prefer to use, mousse or water. And then I'm using my wax stick to smooth down those flower hairs and to just get that straight look. And I'm gonna go run over that with my hot comb. So of course I was in a rush trying to be cute. I didn't burn myself, but y'all know those hot combs do get hot, so be careful when you hot combing your hair. And one day I was hot combing my lace front and it was hot. I didn't put a hole in my polar closure, but yeah, so I just used the the little wax spray and went over that to smooth it out with a hot comb. And I know you can kind of still see the lace, but it's okay. I went back in and I put some more freeze spray on top of that, and I laid it down for an extra 10 to 15 minutes. And I also went over it with the blow dryer. I did not get to put that clip in here. It's something that I did off camera. So yeah, in the next clip we're gonna see the final look.
The final look of that hair. This hair is from the previous video, not the video with the bob, but the video with the review on the long hair. And this hair is from Serwell Hair Company, and again this is 28-inch, the 4x4 lace closure. And I basically plucked the wig a little bit, made some little baby hairs. I didn't bleach it, I didn't do nothing to it. All I did was put some makeup under it that kind of like matched my skin tone, that was close enough to my skin tone. And I put some freeze spray on it, let that sit. And I tied the lace down with a little tie, left on there for like 10 minutes. And this is the results, and this is the back. This is how the back looks. This is some good hair, and I'm gonna still keep the same rate I set up in the last video. I'm gonna give this hair a 10 because it took me literally 15 minutes to do the whole thing. So all I did was, and I'm gonna show y'all how I do my little ball cap method. It's not hard, it's actually easy. All I did was put the wave cap on, put some makeup over it. Of course I use my Got To Be Glue spray, and I let it sit for 10 minutes and I fanned it. I could use my blow dry, but I didn't feel like digging and all that stuff because me and my boyfriend just moved. So I did the ghetto way and used the little cardboard thing that came with the wig cap. So I did that and I put makeup on that, and y'all gonna see up in the video. But really, this hair is really nice. It's soft, it's long, I can run my fingers through it. When I flat iron it, I didn't have to constantly go over it. I just ran the flat iron through it one time, and it's just really beautiful hair. You guys should really try this company out. You would be very satisfied with the end results. I really like it. This is my first time ordering from that company. I will be ordering more hair from them because of the first try of this wig. This wig is so pretty, y'all. Like, I just really like it. And it's long. And I like long wigs. Long hair. So now I'm just playing in it because I'm gonna do this video. But overall, the hair is cute. If y'all like this hair, comment down below what y'all would rate this hair. Like I said, I give it a 10. And again, it's a 4x4. It's a 4x4 lace closure, and it's 28 inches long. So, hope y'all like this video. And if you can do me a favor and comment your thoughts on this hair. If you have any questions you want to ask me, feel free. Don't be scared. I don't bite. Subscribe. That's the very first thing you should do. Subscribe and share this video. subscribe to you girls. Subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you all in the next one. Everybody be blessed.